This tutorial explains how to create or open a QA4MOBiLE project and session and view them in the web portal dashboard. When the software starts, you are presented with the option to select or create a new project. To create a new project, click the link and the QA4MOBiLE web portal will open. Here you can type a name for the new project and click Create. Now switch back to the UI and click the green Refresh button here, and the new project should appear at the bottom of the list of projects. You can now select a session or create a new session. So if you've previously created sessions, they'll be listed for the project. However, to create a new session, click the link and point to the top level folder containing your as delivered MLS project data and click Select Folder. The session directory will be scanned, creating a database of all the files in the directory. The scan determines things such as the data type, whether a file is a tile, and so on. As part of the new session initialization, the system requires some inputs. So you can see it's already identified a tile layout and a trajectory file. We just need to supply tender and report form. So if we click here, we can supply the tender form or QAT for that project, and then a report form or QAR, and confirm. And then we need to supply the datum, projection and zone for the project, confirm, and the session is initialized. So the rest of the software will be discussed in another tutorial. I'll just close the session. So when a dataset is scanned, QA4MOBiLE creates a unique dataset hash for each session. The dataset hash includes relative file paths, file sizes in bytes, and the matched data type with extension found by the file scanner. It also includes the content of the selected tender form, the content of the selected report form, and the content of the selected tile layout. If any of the hashed elements change, for example, files are added or removed to the project, file sizes change, files are renamed, the forms change in any way, or the tile layout changes, then the generated hash will be different to the hash for the session, meaning a new session will be required. For example, on an existing project and an old session that's now out of date, the data has changed, you'll see this warning. You can either click cancel and choose a different session, or click OK to create a new session. So to view a project and session in the web portal dashboard, go online to the web portal and select projects and select your project. So we'll select here and hit go. So you can view the details of the project here, which includes all the session IDs, when they were created, and who by. You can move on to view the users for the project. So here is the owner, and this user is a member, and you can invite further users to the project. Then you can see the session summaries and all the individual sessions. So within a session you can see the summary, which shows you some basic overview information, including creation information and the forms and some of the datasets. You can then view the tile layout. This shows a visual of the tile layout supplied over a map background. You can also view the dataset, This shows the folder structure of the dataset scanned for the session. Red text indicates a folder, and you can click on it to enter, and black text then indicates files. Only files of data types which are considered by the software for QA are listed here. Any other file types are ignored and not displayed. The final section to view is the results. So this section will be explained in another tutorial. Thank you for watching the QA4MOBiLE projects, sessions and dashboard tutorial. For other tutorials, please visit the QA4MOBiLE YouTube channel.